Elsa Rimkaren has asked, I'd like to talk a little bit about ignition angle and exhaust gas temperature, because when the ignition angle is low, the exhaust gas temperature is seriously high. Yeah, absolutely. So if we are monitoring exhaust gas temperature, there is a very obvious correlation between our ignition timing and our exhaust gas temperature. As we retard the ignition timing, what we're going to find is that the combustion process occurs later and later in the engine cycle, and of course, as a result of this, it's happening closer to when the exhaust valves open, so we tend to see the exhaust gas temperature increase. So when we are looking at exhaust gas temperature, a lot of people do use this as a tuning guide. We do need to understand that there are a range of aspects that can affect exhaust gas temperature: our air-fuel ratio, our boost pressure, and exactly what you've mentioned there, our ignition timing will all affect the EGT reading that we're going to get. That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and you're the type of guy who wants to expand your knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about performance engine building and EFI tuning, and you'll also have the chance to ask your own questions, which I'll be answering live. Remember, it's 100% free, so follow the link to claim your spot.